Index notation is used to represent powers. So, for example, a to the power of 2, which we often call a squared, means a times a, and the index is 2. Okay, and I've already said we would say this as a squared. B to the power of 3, which we might say as b cubed, means b times b times b. So the index is 3. I'm multiplying the base by whatever the small number is that many times. C4 means I'm multiplying C 4 times, not by 4, I'm multiplying it 4 times. So C times C times C times C, the index is 4. What we have to be careful of is when we see something like this. It's very easy to think that means that you do 4D times 4D, but you need to remember our BIDMAS rules. Indices come before multiplication. So we'd have to do D squared first and then times that by 4. So it'd be 4 times D times D. 2e to the power of 3 means 2 times E times E times E. The other thing that you need to know when it comes to dealing with indices is that when we multiply, so if the base numbers are the same, so for this example, these are both p's, and we're multiplying, we just add the indices. So P3 times P7 gives us P10. If we're dividing, then you subtract the indices. So S5 divided by S3 will give me S2. When we've got something like this that looks far more complicated, again, because the base numbers are the same, what we would do is first we would take the numbers. So 4 times 3 is 12, and then S3 times S2, we keep the S and we add the index numbers, which would give me 5.